Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mount Laurel high fives from my.
Hello guys! Ito kami sa Alpine coaster thingy. Brother! This is 0.5.
Extreme rides ang show.
Oh my god. Ang pasakang, di na ako ganahan. Shit!
Diyan mo na po dyan ba?
Murag na lagi kay fear ron.
Hadlok eh.
Asa man ta?
Very saka.
I wanna see my video sa para kabalo ko sa ako i-adjust. Char! Grabe ka kuan.
Dapat sa next atong around kay paspas na. Dito
Ay,
ka
nice!
Ganun ka mo try.
Ha?
Ganun ka mo try na go lang.
Tarang!
Dito mag-pause. Oh, nice.
Carry lang. Good job, self. Good job, self.
Good job. Waka na hadlok.
2 minutes na lagi. 2 minutes na dito?
Masin ka nagbalik pa.
Yay!
Don't pass on medium.
Oh,
You want to go fast on medium?
medium. For the video.
Ready?
Ready.
Medium or fast?
Fast, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Let's go. This is our second round and I super love it, guys. OMG! Where is my brother? Kanina, I was very afraid. But now, pwede na akong mag-hands-free. With the pink cart. Super nice, guys. Singapore, you should have this.
Nandot kasi if ka nang
This
i-full
park.
speed break.
Ganahan ko kay kanang ang hangin, ang view, and then dili siya mubo.
Now siya automation.
Kanang dili siya mubo ba? Enough ra iyang
Line.
oo,
Siya
line.
mag-beating.
Hi guys, it's me, Tawin. And for today's video, andito po ako sa Sapa, Vietnam. Actually, yesterday pa lang ako nakarating dito. I'm with my college friend, si Arvin. Birthday trip niya to and naki-join lang ako. So, si Arvin is nasa kabilang room. Separate po kami because wala lang, trip lang namin. Tsaka every time nag-travel kami, hindi talaga kami same room. So, ngayon, we are staying at Lado Homestay. Yung view na is yung trail tram or whatever. I'm gonna show you later. And also, I'm gonna tour you around my room, which is super duper nice. And ayun, see you guys later. Bye! Hello guys! Char! Padulong mi og asa man ta? Sa train station pasaka sa Fansipan, which is the highest peak of Indochina thing. I-research na lang ninyo. But the weather is not cooperating. It's still drizzling and cloudy and foggy. Oh my god, di makitaan. Nara guys. Let's go.
golden. I follow the golden, golden things.
So guys, nami sa...
Ito kay Mentos Good pa ako.
Ano siya tawagan?
Itong funicular.
Funicular, what a chirlalo. Guys, it's still freezing. First, pag
Tuyệt vời, đây ngồi ngoài này nữa.
Okay, we're inside the cave.
Ngoài tầng mây mới đẹp.
Char English. Brother, say hi.
Cable car.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still.
I want to show the camera. The camera. Ang view.
Let's get one of those.
There you go. Muna siya mo view.
Golden.
White na ang banana.
Zero base na jud. Kaya ba?
chắc chắn.
Mount Laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden. Alpha.
The sun is out, but it's still cloudy. Ay, foggy pala. Nanami sa first level, going up to the summit.
Gold leaves. Gold anything. Golden. Alpha.
Immediately in Spain.
So, wala pa mi nagkatunga sa summit. Wala pa mi sa
Chào mừng quý khách đến với khu du lịch
second
Sa
level.
Huân
I
Fansipan
don't know
Magic.
pinanong ka level.
Tuyến cáp treo
Walk up the river.
Hello guys, we're here sa entrance ng Fansipan Legend Sun World. And it's drizzling again. Oh! So, sulod ni Ani.
Taliksik ka lang.
Taligsik
Turista
ka
kami.
lang. Turista kami. It's nice here, even if ang weather foggy. Hello guys, namin susulod sa Ethnical Village. Seeing inside sa Fansipan. And, sa?
Naihas ko kaya na-restart na kami.
So, I'm gonna show you around Char Pillar. Ang say makit Andre, kaya na-discover na po ni Namo. Lusot-lusot lang ni. Sumana siya.
I follow only golden.
proud ako ilahang cabbage. See? It's bigger than my hand. So guys, apparently, char. Wala lang, nakalusot mi yan yung whatever thing here. And we saw this. Ilang maklaro, wala siya, wala justice. But mo, anhi mong fancy pan? Wow, na-promote. It's a nice place.
May church.
Mount Laurel high fives for miles in spring.
And of course, my favorite part sa garden is this part here. Oh my gosh. Tanaw na lang akong TikTok ay na akong dream come true na walk. The walk is walking. The walk is walking. So, ayun na siya, guys.
Gold hair, gold
Oh,
ring,
diba? Purple ka ay.
gold
Shit.
leaves,
That's it.
golden. Gold.
Good morning, guys. It's our third day here in Sapa. And supposedly, pupunta kami ng Moana and Katkat Village. But then, the weather is not cooperating. Look. As you can see, wala kayong masi. So, our plan is to staycay na lang. If later, nanay, visibility ang town, ang Sapa, then we will go out. Ay, yeah, I will show you my room there. So, pasensya yung very, very gubot.
Golden,
So,
I followed the golden, golden, golden things, gold birds, gold strings, gold words, gold anything, golden. I follow only golden,
So, I know.
golden,
Ito yung room ko. And then,
golden things.
one thing, may heater yung bed nila.
I follow only golden,
So, let's turn it on kasi masyadong
golden,
so,
golden things.
ito yung mahina, middle, and then highest heat temperature. And that's it. Bye. Wala nag-cooperate ang weather today. Nag-staycay na lang me and so far at least na-enjoy na mo ang among room.
Meets my
And
eyes,
karon, I'm preparing
even with my eyes
para
still closed.